Chapter 15, Social Media and SMM. Social media is not just a platform for communication, it's a powerful tool for building a brand, attracting clients, and increasing sales. To succeed in SMM, social media marketing, you need a clear strategy. Audience analysis, content planning, and engagement all require time and resources. Artificial intelligence is completely changing the approach to SMM, turning it from routine work into an efficient and scalable process. This chapter will show you how to use neural networks to create content that your audience will love and build a strategy that will lead to real results. AI helps at every stage of working with social media. Audience analysis. Neural networks can analyze your target audience's interests and behavior so you can create content that truly resonates. Idea and content plan generation. AI can come up with dozens of ideas for posts and create a full content plan for a month, saving you hours of work. Content creation. You can use AI to write posts, slogans, text for stories and reels, and to create unique visual content. Post optimization. AI helps select the ideal time to publish to reach the maximum number of people and to find relevant hashtags. Audience analysis with AI. For your SMM strategy to work, you must know your audience. AI can provide you with this information. Prompt. Act as an SMM analyst. I run a blog about freelancing for copywriters. Analyze the target audience. What are their problems? What are their fears? What are their goals? On what platforms do they spend time? And what kind of content interests them? Create a detailed audience profile. This prompt will allow you to gain a deep understanding of your followers, which is the foundation for creating an effective SMM strategy. Content planning and post automation. Once you have a clear audience profile, it's time to create a content plan. AI will help you not only come up with topics, but also write posts for different platforms. Step 1. Creating a content plan with AI. Instead of manually creating a publication calendar, delegate this task to AI. Prompt. You are an SMM manager. I run a blog on Instagram about remote work. My audience is freelancers who want to increase their income. Come up with the 1-month content plan. The plan should include 4 posts per week, 2 carousel posts, 1 poll post, and 1 quote post. The topics should be relevant and useful. Step 2. Writing posts for different platforms. Each social network has its own specificity. The text for LinkedIn should differ from the text for Instagram. AI will help you adapt the content. Prompt for Instagram. Write the text for a carousel post on the topic 5 ways to find clients in 2025. The text should be short, contain useful information, and have a call to action. Use emojis and relevant hashtags. Prompt for LinkedIn. Write a post for LinkedIn on the same topic. The text should be more formal, professional, and contain expert opinion. Its goal is to show that I'm a specialist in my field. Step 3. Creating visuals for posts. Text is only half the job. Use AI to create unique visuals. Midjourney or Leonardo AI will help generate illustrations or background images for your posts. For carousel posts, you can create a series of images in a single style. How AI helps you with competitor analysis. AI can help you not only with your content, but also with competitor analysis. Prompt. Analyze the competitor's profile on Instagram. What types of content do they publish? What posts get the most engagement? What strategy are they using? Suggest ideas on how I can improve my content to stand out from them. SMM automation and monetization. Once you master content creation with AI, the next step would be automation and monetization. Your goal is to turn social media from routine work into an effective and predictable channel for growth. First, automating publications. Manually publishing posts takes a lot of time. AI tools allow you to automate this process. Post scheduling. Use the built-in schedulers in Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, which automatically publish content according to your schedule. Integration with Zapier. You can set up an automated chain where a new post on your blog is automatically published on social media. This ensures a constant online presence without manual intervention. Second, data analyzing. AI can help you understand what works and what doesn't. Engagement analysis. Use AI tools to analyze the comments and reactions to your posts. The neural network can identify the most popular topics and formats, which will allow you to create more demanded content in the future. Publication time optimization. AI can analyze your audience's behavior and suggest the ideal time to publish posts to get the maximum reach. Monetization with AI. Selling SMM services. You can offer clients a complete package of social media management services. Thanks to AI, you can generate content faster, analyze your audience more accurately, and create more effective strategies. This allows you to take on more clients and charge a higher price for your work. Selling your own product. Your AI-powered SMM strategy will help you attract an audience that will be ready to buy your digital products, courses, or guides created with neural networks. Affiliate marketing. Use social media to promote affiliate products and services. You can quickly create ad creatives and posts that will lead clients to your link. Conclusion. With AI, you can turn SMM into a more strategic process. It handles the routine, and you focus on what's important: analysis, ideas, and building long-term relationships with your audience. In the next chapter, we will move on to email marketing, where AI also opens many new opportunities.